Get into the 2022 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, bed liner, remote engine start, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat, keyless start, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim. Attack your projects with the strength and power that leaves no room for doubt. Drive the Ram 2500.